Let's make our own DIY name slips. For our first design, I'm going with a cute space theme. I'll start by drawing a few hanging stars. I'm making the stars in different sizes so that the design doesn't look repetitive. Now, let's add some tiny circles and dots around them to create a starry background. Outline the drawing with a black sketch pen. Once the outline is complete, start coloring. For the background, use shades of yellow and orange. The stars can be colored yellow. Use a combination of bright colors for the small details. The idea is to keep the writing area clean while decorating the edges. For the next name slip, I am making a cute plant pot design. First I draw the pot, then I add several leaves coming out from the top. I am keeping the leaves simple with different shape and sizes. Now draw a cute little face on the pot. Two small eyes, a tiny nose, and a smiling mouth make the design much more adorable. Let's outline everything carefully with a black pen. Now it's time for coloring. I'm using green shades for the leaf. For the pot, I'm choosing a bright orange color. I will add a little darker shade around the edge to give the pot some depth. Finally, I will add tiny hearts and dots around the design. And our cute plant theme name slip is ready. For the next design, I am going for a sky theme. First, draw a few fluffy clouds. I am making the clouds using simple curved lines. Then, draw a small paper plane. To make it look like it's flying, add a dotted curved line behind it. This little detail makes the whole drawing more interesting. Now, outline the clouds and airplane. For coloring, use light blue for the background. The clouds are kept white with a little grey shading underneath. Color the airplane using a soft contrasting color. Finally, add a tiny dots and stars to fill the empty spaces. And our sky theme name slip is complete. For the next design, I am using a simple heart theme. I will draw small hearts around the border in different sizes. Some hearts can be filled while others can be left as outline. I am using different shades of pink and red to give the design some variety. Now, let's make another fun design. This time, I'm drawing a cute purple planet. I start with a large circle. Then I add a ring around it. To make the planet look cute, I'm adding two small eyes and a smiling face. Around the planet, I will draw a few stars and small sparkles. After outlining everything, I will begin to color. Use purple and lavender shades for the planet. The ring can be colored in a contrasting shade so that it stands out. For the background, use a very light purple shade. Notice that I am not coloring over the writing area. This keeps the name slip neat and makes information easy to read. Now let's make one of the cutest design, a bunny. I started with a bunny head, then I draw two long ears. Inside the ear, I'm adding a smaller curved shape. Now draw the eyes, nose, mouth. A few little hearts around the bunny will make the design even cuter. Let's outline the entire drawing with a black marker. For coloring, I'm using light pink shade for the ears and a soft color for the bunny's face. Now for the next design, let's draw a cute penguin. First, start with the body, then add the face, wings, eyes and a little beak. After outlining, color the body black and white with a bright yellow beak and feet. Adding a few small hearts around the penguin will complete the design. Here I have used a white background with red border. To make it suitable for school notebook, I have drawn a small stack of books at the bottom. I am coloring the books in different shades so they stand out. At the top we have space for student's name, subject and roll number, followed by the school name. I am also adding little stars and dots around the border. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next creative video with more colorful and easy DIY ideas.